Under Finances, click Create Daily Cash Monitoring. And from there, you can add like the beginning cash on hand is, for example, 32,000. It means beginning is the amount of money left yesterday or a day after. For example, the company added a capital of 10,000. The cash collections from collector, for example, is 100,000. And there's a GCash collection of, let's just say, 5,000. So how much is that? 32,000 less 10,000 is 42,000. 42,000 plus 100,000 is 142,000. 142,000 plus 5,000 is 147,000. So that will be your total here in the total in. The cash collection, the added capital, and the beginning cash on hand is the total money that we have in the present. And for example, we have a loan release of 30,000 and we have an expenses of 7,000. So 30,000 plus 7,000 is 37,000. So how much will be our total cash left? To be able to get the total cash left, you have to minus the total in, the 147, in the money from the total out. So it means total in less total out will be our total cash left. So how much is that? That will be 110,000. And you click Save. So, where is that? It's here. You can click the pencil if you want to edit. Automatically, the date is there every time you make a specific cash monitoring voucher. So you will see, these are the samples that we had. To make it, you have to get here. You have to go there. And once you save it, it will bring you to this one. Once you save it, it will bring you to the daily cash monitoring list, which is this one. To be able to delete it, if you want to delete, you just click the delete button and it will delete. And the transactions that you want to be deleted will be deleted. So that's how to use our daily cash monitoring list in our lending management system. Thank you.